Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how to start stock SIP in RMoney Tradion app. First of all, log in into your app, go to orders, select stock SIP, tap on create SIP order, select the script you want to invest in, enter the quantity. You can also choose a price if required. Enter SIP name. Select SIP date. You can also select frequency, duration, and finally tap on create SIP order. Your SIP is now active. In case if you wanted to make a modification in your SIP, open the SIP, edit the required details, and tap on modify SIP, and your SIP will be successfully updated. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. Until then, happy trading.
Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully.